Let's be honest. Most men today aren't out of shape because they're lazy. They are out of shape because they're busy. They work long hours, they've got families, responsibilities and stress. And by the time they come home, the last thing they want to do is drive 30 minutes to the gym, wait for machines and deal with gym bros flexing in the mirror. So, what happens? They skip it, simply. They tell themselves they will start next week, but next week turns into next month, and suddenly they've lost years. And here's the truth. You don't need 90 minutes a day to get in shape. You don't need a gym membership and you don't need motivation. All you need is a structure, simplicity and discipline. Here's how I help busy men get in shape in just 20 minutes a day. This is exactly how I train and it's why I've stayed consistent for over a decade even while working long days. Step number 1. Forget about the gym. The gym is great if you have time. But if you're working full-time, have a family or just value your time, it's not realistic. I live in a village and the nearest gym is a 30-minute drive away. That's 1 hour of driving for 1 hour workout. That's not fitness, that's a part-time job. Instead, I train at home. Push, pull, legs, core, mobility, and that's it. No commute, no waiting, no wasted time. I get my workout done before dinner while most people are still deciding what pre-workout to buy. Step number 2. You need to keep it simple. Most guys fail because they overcomplicate everything. They change programs every week, they chase new diets, they think they need to train like professional athletes when they just need consistency. You only need the basics. Push-ups, pull-ups, dips, squats, lunges, core work and mobility. Done with intensity and proper form, those movements build muscle, strength and endurance. Forget 2-hour splits. 20 focused minutes done consistently will build a better body than 2 hours of inconsistency. Step number 3. You need to start training for life, not just for summer. The reason most men quit is because they train for a goal that expires. A vacation, a wedding, a date. But the guys who stay in shape for life, they train for how it feels, not just how it looks. When you train at home consistently, you'll notice things most gym goers don't. You'll notice better posture, less joint pain, more energy after work, and real functional strength that lasts. You'll start to realize this isn't just fitness, it's maintenance for the machine you live in. And step number 4, no excuses. Every man has 20 minutes a day. Scroll less. You need to move more. Do 2 sets to failure. Walk, stretch, eat real food and drink water. That's it. It really is that simple. You don't need motivation, you just need standards. Because once training becomes a non-negotiable part of your day, your life starts to change. If you're a busy man who wants to finally take back control, to build muscle, move better and stay consistent from home, you can check my coaching and school community linked below. I'll give you the plan, the accountability and the structure so you don't waste another year waiting for the perfect time. Because that time doesn't exist. All you have is today and 20 minutes. No gym, no problem, brother.